Hi everybody, it's Grandma and I am so excited to be able to show you Christmas Town. Christmas Town is here in Belmont, North Carolina, or Mount Holly, and everything pretty much in Christmastown has been made by a YouTuber, and his name is Isaac. Grandma is so honored to be able to come through Isaac's yard and show you everything. So I am going to turn the camera around, maybe, and show you. Here we are at Christmastown. And Isaac has done such a good job. Here is Isaac. So you need to go look at his YouTube channel. I'm gonna have a link to his channel so that you can watch his channel and see how to make these wonderful, wonderful things. He has all sorts of things. He's made signs. We've got cotton candy. Oh, that looks so tasty. Makes me want to eat it. There's a gingerbread. That's a gingerbread birdhouse. Look at the little snowman. Look, it looks like real cookies. There's a strawberry and the gingerbread men. Look at this. This is amazing. He has reindeer. He has these candy canes are amazing. I love the cardinal. The cardinal is the bird for North Carolina. He's made all of these delicious lollipops. And he made this pumpkin that is enormous. He's got lights all over the house. Look at this. Look how big that tree is. Oh my goodness. Like a forest of Christmas trees. And I have no idea how long it took him to hang all of those lights all over his roof. And look, Santa. I hope he can make it down the chimney for Christmas. This is so amazing. Isaac has done an incredible job. He has made so many people smile. Grandma met some people who drove a very long way to get here. He's got Christmas presents. These two trees he's got, but they're not lit up. There's the secret behind. Don't tell anybody. But he has made everything. Even this brick. It's not real. He made it. He made the nutcrackers. He made the penguins. He made that snowman. This is what you can do when you're creative. And you too can make it. If you go to his channel, you can learn how to do all of these things. He also makes things for Halloween. He made this mug of hot chocolate. Oh my goodness, it looks so tasty. With a candy cane on top. Yum. Grandma needs some hot chocolate now. And all the presents. Oh, can't wait. He's got a lollipop. It's a heart. All the reindeer in his yard. He made these ginormous mushrooms. They are huge. And how many Christmas trees do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. Amazing. I think Grandma's favorite is Santa. I love it. Uh-oh. That might be Santa's reindeer coming to get him. Well, Grandma wants to say thank you so much to Isaac for allowing me to come walk around in his yard and see these amazing things. Grandma is so happy it's Christmas time. I love it so much. And seeing all these wonderful things and all the hard work that Isaac has done, it's truly just spectacular. It's even better in person. But for you parents out there, you parents need to check his channel out. Like I said, I'm going to have a link to his channel below. And I want you to go check his channel out, like it, subscribe it, watch all of his videos. He has how to make a Bigfoot. Yes, the man has a Bigfoot. I think it's in the backyard asleep, but anyway, we're not going to go disturb Bigfoot. But he has videos on how to make all of these things, and he has Halloween, so you can make all the things for Halloween too. But he is truly, truly an amazing, creative young man, and Grandma is so glad that I found him on YouTube, and I'm even gladder that I live close by, because now I can come see his stuff. And also, Grandma is going to read his book, so you'll have to look for his book on Grandma's channel, and make sure you also go to Amazon. You can check it out. There'll also be a link to his book in my description as well. So anyway, Grandma is so happy that it's Christmas and that I got to show and be able to experience this Isaac's Wonderland. And I want y'all to make sure you come back for more with Grandma.